Hello and welcome to this video. This is Damo and we are looking at Revo Uninstaller Pro, and this is the free unregistered version as it says here. It says remaining 29 days, but this is the free version, and this program is for to uninstall any program on your system. So I've actually only today been aware of this program. So this is I've actually used this today in work, and this, as I said, this program is so you can uninstall and make sure it totally uninstalls, even to the point of even all the hidden files and all the junk that you mainly get with any program that you download via the internet, like toolbars and extensions, and even browsers and drivers and any other programs that you get on this that you can get through onto PC. Now, as you can see, I have all my programs listed. This is everything that I have installed on my system. Now to start uninstalling any program, all you basically need to do is to click on a program, and you can actually, first of all, you can actually highlight a program, say like, let's pick one then, say like this one, this Note plus 32-bit x86. So you can go there and you can search for it on Google. So you click that and it actually takes you through links that you can explore, that you if you're unfamiliar with the program, it can actually describe what program it is and what it actually does, and how what basically the program is, so you can determine whether you want to uninstall it or whether you want to keep it on your system. But as we know, this is a Notepad program, so it's really this program, this Notepad plus is a Notepad and a HTML editor. So as you can see, so it's right. So that's to find out what the program is. But to uninstall it, you can click uninstall there. You can right click on it and click uninstall, or you can go on to the uninstall icon here. So click that. Now it will do these checks. It will do this routine no matter whatever program you uninstall using this. And I found it quite easy to uninstall, actually. It really makes it a lot easier and a lot more secure to uninstall stuff, but there is dangers of uninstalling it through this way, because you can delete files that you don't really intend to delete, and you can delete files that you may need for further use, or even crash the system. So you have to be really careful with this program. So as you can see anyway, it has opened up the uninstall feature on this program. So it has created a full registry backup and created a system restore point. And it started analyzing and starting inbuilt uninstaller for default install. And right, so we can click uninstall and we can go through all the necessary things that you do when you uninstall the program. This is pretty much standard. this part. It's only after this part that it can start to get a bit dangerous. So, yeah, right. And right, so we close that. Now, what you have is you have scanning options. You have safe scan mode, moderate scan mode, and advanced scan mode. Now, I've basically used this advanced scan mode, so it scans every single file relating to this program. So you click scan, and it can take some time, but depending on your system, but when it's done, you will see a list of files that you can delete via this program, and we'll just wait for this to complete the scan. Right, and as you can see, it's completed the scan, and so it's released all these. It's seen all these all these files. Now, sometimes you can get a different window to this, but this is basically standard. So you can on this program, you can basically click select all, because all these are related to this Notepad++. So click select all, finish. Oops, no, cancel. Select all and delete. Yes, I do want to delete all these items, so delete. There you go. That program is uninstalled. Now, to uninstall a more advanced program, say like you wanted to uninstall, let's pick another program that you wanted to uninstall. Let's just see if there's any other. Right, so say like I wanted to uninstall this dungeon, Hunger Dungeon. So you click that and wait for it to do this, create a save point. Sorry about that, my mobile keeps going off. Right, so again, you do analyze Steam starting up, because it is a Steam. Yes, I want to delete all the content from this computer. Right, so then we go to advance, and then we wait until it scans all the files that you may need. Right, now this is what I was talking about the advanced registry items. Now, some items you may see that maybe not in bold. Whatever you do, do not delete any of any file that's not in bold. All the ones in bold are related to the program that you're trying to uninstall. So you can't uninstall, you can't delete them, because they're basically registry folders for your computer. So if you end up deleting them, you'll have a pretty bad day, I'd say. So it's just all these ones in bold that you can delete. So delete that. Delete. Yes, I want to delete the items. Right. Then you can go into finish. Now that's uninstalled. Now it's quite a easy program to use. Once you get used to the way that the program works. Now, the other features to this is in the tools. So you've got the uninstaller, which is this whole menu here. You've got Auto Run Manager, which is all the services that you run when the computer starts up. So you can tick any one of these off if you don't want them to run when your computer boots up. So it saves. So basically, I don't want OneDrive booting up. I don't want Smart Switch booting up. I don't want uTorrent boot. I don't want Chrome to automatically boot up. But all these programs will boot up. Will start running once you start activating the icons relating to each individual program. So the rest of them, well, I don't want that doing. Service, no, I don't want that. Yes, I want all these. These are related to the motherboard and graphics card, and I want that, and I don't need that one to be booted up. Smart switch, which one's this? Adobe, nope, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. That's down to my printer. I don't want that. Yes, I want all these. I don't need that to be started up during the startup. Right, that seems to be it. Right, so that's everything. That's all the programs done. So as you do that, you click run, and that starts the selected items on that list. So it's enabled you to get a faster boot up, yeah. And you've got junk file cleaner, which is, we all know what that is. That's that's to do with your web browser. So let's do that. Let's do that. Right. So it's scanning the junk files, and it will bring up all the junk files, and then you can delete them as you want. So wait for this to scan. Some of these processes may take a while to actually do. Right. So as you can see now, I took about a couple of minutes to scan. So as you see now, these are all the junk files that it's actually highlighting for the for different programs that you've got on here. So you can basically choose to delete them. And yep, I think most of these are, these are all temp files. So yep, so we can just delete, and it will happily just delete all these files. Now you have to be careful on what you delete. See, some of these they won't be able to delete because I'm using the programs to actually run the processes. So I'm using these files to run certain processes, so I couldn't delete them. But at least the system is now a bit cleaner. And other ones are Windows tools. So this is a selection of tools that you have via your Windows program, Windows operating system. So you have like System Restore, Network Information, Security Center, System Properties, System Information, TCP, TIP, Net State Command, on-screen keyboard, disk defragmentator, services, shared folders, group policies, and so on and so forth. So anyway, that's fully your tools and stuff. You've got your browser cleaner, so you can have all the browsers, so you can clean all your browsers. So you can say, right, well, I want all the Internet Explorer ones, all the Firefox ones, all the Chrome ones, all the Opera ones. I've got absolutely so many web browsers on here. I've got five? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. So I've got 5 web browsers. That one doesn't really use anymore. That one I use hardly any. That one I always use. That one I downloaded and didn't really use. And that one I don't really use anyway. So you can clear them. So select clear. Yeah. and that clears your internet internet file history, temporary files, cookies, downloadable history, delete from history, and session of history. So it deletes loads of temporary files that you don't really need on your system. And we'll just wait until that finishes. It can be a bit of a pain, especially if you've got passwords saved to your system. If you like to save passwords, so you just delete what you don't want to delete. So you just untick what you don't want to delete, and you tick what you want to delete. So it just frees up a hell of a lot of space on your system. We'll wait until this process is done. Right, and as you can see, all the processes are done. So click that. So they're all clear now. And right, so what else have we got? Oh, we've got Microsoft Office Cleaner. I haven't got Microsoft Office on here, so that's for people who've got Microsoft Office. We've got Window Cleaner, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, this just cleans all the hidden files and all the recent history of your program, so you can just clean that if you want. Yeah, right, so that's all cleaned. I cleaned that before, so that's why it took, it just straight away did it anyway. And then you've got Evidence Cleaner, Evidence Remover. This is the longest process I have ever known. This actually takes, I tried it before and it said it would take 8 hours to just do one drive of about 2 terabytes. So you could use this if you wanted, but it does say, warning, after process has been completed, it is impossible to recover deleted files. So you only really do that if your system is really on, you've just got no option but to actually just completely scan the whole hard drive and get rid of whatever is infected your system in that way. And uncoverable deleted, that is I'm pretty sure you can, yeah, it's just so you can securely delete any files that you want to delete on your system. And then you've got a backup manager. So backup manager will have all the evidence that all the activities that you've done. It's only displayed that one for some reason, but as you saw before, we did do another program, and that's basically what this program entails. What the features of this program is. Now, to actually buy this program, even though this is a unregistered version, I am actually gonna buy this program. This program is for it's $39, I think it is, for the standard program. It may be a little bit cheaper. I'm not too certain. I'll put an annotation on the video if I'm wrong. And for anyone who really wants to keep on top of the system, to keep it clean, to keep it working as good as you can, it's a very handy program to download. It's a really good program to actually buy, and it keeps your system really up to scratch. And anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quite brief, quite a long, look at this program and all of its many features. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on another video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Bye.